Arc contouring. This function is used to process an arc. This can be an internal or external radius on XY, XZ or YZ planes. Select arc function and XY plane. Enter centre coordinates for this example -30mm on X and 30mm on Y axis. Enter radius as 30mm. Enter start point coordinates as 0 on X and 30mm on Y axis. Enter end point coordinates as -30mm on X and 0 on Y axis. Enter tool diameter as 15mm. Select tool diameter compensation. Enter maximum cut as 0.5 mm. A smaller value will give a smoother finish. Move X axis slide to 0, then move Y axis slide to 0. Press down key to select point 2. Repeat steps until each point is reached. Press arc to exit.